You're sitting at your kitchen table when your phone screams. The alert is sharp, official, unmistakable. Shelter in place. Further instructions to follow. Your neighbors get the same message at the same second. Everyone stops. Everyone waits. Something outside is already moving faster than the message. Emergency alerts feel like control. They arrive with government seals, structured language, time stamps. The tone is calm. The instructions are clear. You're supposed to feel safer after reading one. That feeling is the problem. The real killer isn't the fire, the flood, or the chemical plume. It's the gap between when the alert is written and when it reaches you. It's the behavioral wave it creates. Here's the mechanism. Alerts are drafted by officials reviewing data that's already minutes or hours old. Fires spread faster than satellites update. Floodwaters don't wait for verification chains. By the time the message reaches you, the ground truth has changed. You're being told to shelter in a building that's already cut off. You're being told to evacuate onto a highway that's already frozen. But the alert doesn't tell you it's outdated. It sounds current, authoritative. So you obey. Worse, everyone obeys at once. The alert doesn't stagger behavior. It sinks it. Every car hits the same on-ramp in the same 10-minute span. Every family tries to withdraw cash from the same ATMs. Every generator sells out in the same hour. The system assumes you'll follow instructions. It doesn't account for the physics of 2 million bodies moving through the same bottlenecks simultaneously. You've been trained since childhood to trust official warnings, to wait for permission. The alert on your phone feels more real than the smoke you can smell. You stare at the screen while the window darkens. Wildfires move at 30 miles per hour in dry wind. Alerts move at the speed of committee approval. You get the evacuation order after the road is already burning. The message tells you to leave, but it doesn't tell you the exit is gone. You trust the alert because it's official. You don't look outside until it's too late. Evacuation orders create the worst trap. You're told to leave, so you pack. You follow the route the alert suggests. So does everyone else. The highway becomes a parking lot. Cars run out of gas. When the fire or flood arrives, you're not in a house or a shelter. You're in a metal box on an immobile road, surrounded by thousands of other boxes. Shelters fail under synchronized load. The alert tells 50,000 people to go to the same school gymnasium. The gym holds 2,000. The alert doesn't know this. It was written by someone optimizing for coverage, not capacity. You arrive to find the doors locked, the lot full, the staff overwhelmed. The alert promised safety. It delivered concentration. Rescue windows collapse because responders can't reach you. They're stuck in the same traffic, blocked by the same fallen trees, stopped by the same flooded roads. The alert assumed help could move freely. It can't. You're waiting for rescue that's waiting behind you. The survivors don't ignore alerts. They use them differently. They treat an alert as confirmation that the threat is real, not as the moment to start preparing. By the time the government sends a message, survivors have already moved. The alert just tells them they were right. They read alerts as a clock. When everyone else gets the same message, the survivors know they have 15 minutes before the roads clog. They leave during that window. Not because they're panicking, because they understand the behavioral wave is coming. They act early when the alert says, monitor conditions. They know monitor will become shelter will become evacuate, and by the time it says evacuate, the window is closed. Early movers survive because they exit before synchronization traps them. They don't wait for instructions to make sense. If the alert says go east but the wind is blowing smoke east, they go west. They trust physics over phrasing. The alert is written by someone far away, reading data that's already outdated. The survivor is standing in the actual wind. Authority tells you to wait for certainty. Physics doesn't.